Hello, how are you doing? My name is George, and I'm the owner of Truck Driver Nation. If you've been thinking about becoming a freight dispatcher or working from home, you're in the right place. I've been in trucking for nearly 30 years. What you'll get from me is straight talk and real-world experience. I want to invite you to our live Wednesday webinar at 6:30 p.m. Central. We'll show you exactly how the industry works. Now is the time to educate yourself. We believe we're at the start of a trucking super cycle. Don't wait. If you're serious about your future, reply now to join us. I look forward to meeting you Wednesday evening.
Welcome to Truck Driver Nation. One of the questions we hear almost every day is, how do I get started? The answer is actually very simple. Everyone starts with our webinar. Whether you're completely new to freight dispatching or you've worked in transportation for years, our webinar is the fastest way to understand who we are, how our training works, the support we provide, and whether this opportunity is right for you. We give you 2 ways to experience Truck Driver Nation. Both will help you understand our training. The difference is simply how you'd like to interact with us. If you'd like to attend our live Wednesday webinar, simply text your email address to 2-103-431-1118. As soon as we receive your email address, we'll reserve your seat for our live webinar held every Wednesday at 6:30 p.m. Central Time. During the webinar, you'll learn exactly who we are and how our freight dispatcher training works. You'll see what support we provide, what opportunities are available, and what makes Truck Driver Nation different. At the end of every webinar, we also hold a live question and answer session where you can ask your questions directly. However, there is one limitation you should know. Once the webinar ends, the live session is over. If you think of another question tomorrow or next week, you'll need to reach back out to us. That's exactly why many people choose our second option, Telegram. This is the option we recommend. Simply scan the QR code that's on your screen right now. You'll be connected directly with us. We'll send you the webinar video along with everything you need to get started. More importantly, your support doesn't end. Whenever questions come up, you simply send us a message. Whether it's tomorrow, next week, or even during your training, we're here to help every step of the way. One thing we want you to understand is that you're not communicating with bots or automated systems. Whether you contact us through Telegram or email, your questions are answered by a real member of our team. We read your questions, understand your specific situation, and respond specifically to what you're asking. If email works better for you, that's perfectly fine. Send your questions to support@truckdrivernation.com. We take every email seriously. Our goal is to respond quickly with thoughtful, personalized answers. No matter which option you choose, our objective is the same: to provide the information you need to make an informed decision, supported by real people who are here to help. Choose the path that fits you best. We look forward to helping you take the next step in your journey.